Hi everyone, today I have this tablet. This tablet don't turn on, don't charge, I don't know why. Let's start by charging it. And that's it. Don't charge. Let's find out why. Let's find for a short. Nope. No. Nope. Don't have any. Till now. No shorts. Nothing. So, this is what I found until now. The problem is I don't have any charging power on the battery terminals, so the battery is completely empty. This IC is getting power. It's getting alright power, but don't turn on the power OK pin. Is the pin 25. This is the IC, the power manager, and I don't get any power output, power OK, and the power OK connects to this one, this tiny one, and I try read it. I got nothing, completely nothing, and it is an output pin. So if the power is okay or the IC is okay, I must get that pin on, with power, and I don't. However, I found this IC is controlled via serial from the microprocessor. Is the pin 1 and 2. These ones you can't see, I can't measure it, but it is controlled by the microprocessor and from the kernel. So what I go try, I go flash it, the last update ROM directly and see what happened. Let's assembling this all together again. To load the new ROM, loading the new ROM, wait for it, and I'm getting the same problem. This is what I think. The problem is the battery, because I try charging with USB and no charge. Now I connect the battery to the power source, and the power source is charging directly the battery. This is the direct connection to the battery. But with this tablet off, the battery don't charge anyway. So the problem must be the battery. The power on the battery. Let's check the voltage. 0.73 volts. 73 volts. So, the battery is completely discharged. Let's try charge it without being connected to the board. Let's see what happened. Nothing. Not charging. Not charging. No amps. This is an error. This is a merging error. So this means 0. No charging at all. Nothing. It's connected and plugged from the board and connected to the power source and don't charge. So this is the problem. Maybe too low voltage on the battery. And I don't know. Let's disconnect. Let's open this. This is the speaker. This is the fucking tiny speaker. Oh my god. Holy shit, I'm fucking this. Yay! Look at that. This is why it don't work. It's all fucked up. I think there is a board. Let's try charge it again. Ooh, not sticky. Nothing yet. Alright. Let's still open this. Oh, there is a mini board. This is must wide. The battery don't charge. Something in this board is broken, burned, I don't know. And there is a direct pins. This one is the pins positive and negative. I don't know what is what, but I have a power board. This board control everything about the battery. Let me see. Let's test the resistance. This is a beep mode. I passed through the board, the mini board, the load control board, because I found this shape. Son of this board only work from 2 volts until 3.9 volts, and the battery only have 1 volt on direct connections. I only got 1 volt here and here, and on the output battery I have something like a F volt, so I'm charging it directly. It's not overheat and nothing, and it's charging. If I measure with my meter, I'm getting the output voltage is something about 3.6 volts. So it's up to the 2 volts. If I shut down the power source, I'm getting 3.5. So this is truly up of the 2 volts from the board to the board start running. So let's try charge it now from the original. Let's try charge the board and the board charge the battery. And yay, it's charging. It's charging now. So let's leave it some time to charge and see what happens. It's charging now for about 5 minutes, and with the power source powered off we got 3.6 volts, so it's most enough for this tiny board run. It can run now on its own. Let's put all together now. Battery in the place. Let's see if I can charge it, if you can charge yourself. Yay! It's charging! Problem solved! Can you power up without the charger? Charger off. Powering up. Woohoo! No connection. Let's go off. Okay, no battery. It's charging now for about 5 minutes and it is charging. Yes, it is charging. Let's put all together again and finish this job. Are you charging? It's charging. Problem solved. The tablet don't work because too much low battery charge. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.